Please, let's drop our guard. See the boat.
The two ships. They are going to
I'll tell you something. I don't like talking to you and talking to you. My friend, come back here. Follow my boy. Follow my boy. Follow my boy. What's the meaning of this? Get him on board now. Man on my board.
Main deck.
Now the exercise covers so many aspects of security challenges that we face in Nigerian maritime domain as well as the Gulf of Guinea, such as issues of piracy, illegal, unreported, unregulated fishing. The aim of this exercise is to work up the fleet and improve our operational capability in handling these challenges. So far so good, we have been able to handle them effectively as well reported in the international fora. We started our major scenarios centered around anti-piracy activities. We had a merchant vessel simulate a rogue vessel or vessel of interest engaged in anti-piracy activities, of which we dispatched some of our ships like Nigerian Navy ship Aba and Nigerian Navy ship Oji to intercept this rogue vessel and conduct visit, boarding, seizure and search. We were able to achieve this through two means: deploying boats to insert our Nigerian Navy Special Boat Service elements, as well as using our air arm, which we deployed a helicopter with, to insert special forces on board the rogue vessel.
This has enabled the Navy to enhance maritime security, and within the period we interrogated several ships, one of which was found wanting. She has been arrested and escorted to harbor. And the exercise too has afforded us, the Navy, to work up the ships and further the training of the personnel on board the ships for better performance of our constitutional mandate of securing Nigeria's maritime domain.